Alright guys, good morning. Just wake up and it's beautiful morning here in Bali in Sanur. We are in Tanjung Sari one more time. We're gonna have a breakfast. It's rainy, so you know guys, if it's rainy, it's time for some explanation video guys. So today we got so many requests actually what hotels you have to book, where you can book these hotels, because obviously you have to book the hotels. So today together with Winnie we're gonna explain you everything regarding this topic lah.
Okay guys, it's very beautiful in the morning, raining, and then in the morning I already hungry. So yeah, I decide to have a morning breakfast. Look, this one, package for nasi kuning. If you are guys bored with nasi goreng or mie goreng for breakfast or any kind of Indonesian food, but this one I will show you one beautiful nasi kuning and fruit platter and also tea. It's just only 100k. Very nice. And Damian have a, like
Like a bule breakfast croissant. Meanwhile, it's raining, beautiful weather, however rainy.
So we've got so many requests and question asking, like how to book the hotels for the, 3 nights, and then thinking about where to find out the information to book the hotel, because nowadays there are so many online source of information about the website, and then like a travel advice to come to Indonesia, especially come to Bali. And then this one I would like to introduce you welcome back to Bali website. You can browse on your phone or computer and any other devices, or here in the website welcome back to Bali you will find pagi, you will find this is nice hospitality, all the stuff saying pagi, morning, so nice. Sorry, got a small distraction. Okay, in the website welcome back to Bali, you just click welcome back to Bali and it's Google search, and then the website like this. And in this website you will find out about information regarding to how to travel to Bali, entry requirements, and the CHSH hotels in Bali. Nowadays, whenever you want to come to Bali, you have to book the CHSA hotel. It's just like registered hotel by the government. At least you have to book like 3 nights, minimum 3 nights. You have to show it, because the proof of booking you have to show it when you arrival in the airport. So what happened if you just you book it in the other hotel which are not CHSA? If you are resident of the Bali, let's say like Damian have a kitas or kitab, something like that, permanent residence in Bali. So you just showing where your domicile letter or your identity card. But for those of you, for the tourists who come to Bali, either in VOA or visa on arrival or B211 a visa, you have to book hotel, minimum 3 nights, CHSH hotel. Okay guys, I'm not promoting the owner of the website or something like that, but I'm just sharing and caring to you guys, because yeah, we've got so many questions asking about this information. Okay, so this one CHSA certified hotels in Bali, and then this is also regarding to the requirement, and then come to Bali. And also this one, list of Bali hotels, and then here you just click view by location. You see all, if you want to stay in Canggu, Gianyar or something like that. Let's say if you want to stay in Sanur. Okay, so in Sanur, this is the example of the list of the hotel like Hyatt, and then also there is a price here, and also how to contact, how to reserve the hotel by WhatsApp, by phone, email, or website, something like that. Mercure Sanur, Prama Sanur, Prime, and yeah, any other hotel. So this is how you book the hotels that is considered as CHSA hotel. So what happened if you didn't book it? I don't think that they will let you in unless you are the residents in Bali. Okay guys, in this website you also can read all the requirements about how to travel to Bali. And this one, you see the most up-to-date travel regulation for Bali visa on arrival, a visa, or everything regarding to travel to Bali. Here, complete, information about everything, visa, like PCR test, where to book. But I think that one of my friend who just came to Bali, they said better you book PCR test online, so no hassle in the airport. So you can also book it here, and insurance also, and then the countries, the list of the countries for visa on arrival, all is here. You can read it by yourself.
All right, guys, this is it. If you are interested,
So this is how our morning in the Sanur actually is raining. I hope that the information regarding to the website could help you. You can browse everything regarding to the information about how to come to Bali and hotel bookings and all the guides there. And we hope that we can see you later in Bali. So yeah, I think that's all our video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.